Let's go. Students, I ask the some hard words. Chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Some Properties of Water. The first hard word is some. Who tell me the correct? Yes, you tell me. Kahi. What is the meaning of the sum? Is a kahi. Okay. Second, properties. Who tell me? Yes. Huh? Smruti? Gunadharma. Properties means Gunadharma. Okay. Next, colorless. Who tell me? Colorless. Yes. Huh? You? Ranghin. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Next hard word, states. Yes. Avastha. States means? Okay. Nice. Sit down. Heat. Who tell me heat? Yes. Kalyan? No. This is the wrong answer. Yes. Ushnata. Heat means? Ushnata. Okay. This is the correct answer. Okay. Sit down. The next, cool. Yes. Thunder. The correct answer is a thunder. Okay. Next, boiling. Who tell me the correct meaning of this word? Yes, you. Ukarne. Boiling means? Ukarne. Okay. Evaporation. Yes. You. Bashpi Bhavan. Evaporation means? Bashpi Bhavan. Okay, sit down. And the next hard word is dissolve. Who tell me the correct meaning of this word? Yes, Vaibhavi, you. Virghane. Dissolve means virghane. Okay, the next hard word. Sit down. Okay. Stirring. Yes, Kalyan. Dhavalne. Stirring means dhavalne. Okay, sit down. Soluble. Yes. You. Soluble means virghane. Okay. Nice. The next is a float. Yes, you. Float means tarangne. Sink. Who tell me the correct answer? Sink. Yes, you. Sink means not a tarangne. Sink means yes. Budne. Sink means budne. Okay, sit down. Lighter. Yes, you. Halke. Yes, very nice. Heavier. Yes. Zad. Heavier means zad. Metal. Yes. Dhatu. The correct answer is a dhatu. Okay, nice.